nagtindihan ko ko. Ang kuya Fernand na lana nga magbibingitan si Nanay Susi. Yung mga kapipinatan ng oras. Kan si Tara di Jake, kan si Carol. Salamat at more power. Ang tanutod si kayo, di sa barangay Bugawan. Ang kuantano Bugawan, San Carlos City.
My adventure.
Our adventure.
Punyeta ko, sanay lang ah. Carl! Salamat! Hi, bonjour, mi amor.
This is me.
It's
Close.
it's open kaya.
The church is closed.
It's open.
Where?
Over there in the pader.
Oh.
May water.
Water. Funnel.
Say hi, Nika.
Hi! Salamat! Hi!
I'm going to the church.
Tawid-tawid.
Oh my God, have mercy.
This kinda parusa.
Oh, this is not a curse. This is not a punishment. Bye. We're going to